bringing in those outside partners like Whataburger and the Tulsa Oilers not only allows our students to see a bigger picture of community, it allows the community to come in and give back in a way that wouldn't be possible otherwise. So it's just an important connection for us to have with our students.
It's nice to be a part of the community, and get out and see kids at the school, and just spend time with them outside the rink. Kids never get to see us outside the rink, so it's nice to have a relationship with them and talk to them. I just did the jalapenos. I let the other guys take care of the Hungry Hippo. It was exciting. It was fun to watch those guys fool around and play and ended up winning, so that was cool.
You guys think that 8th grade got higher? If you said higher, you're right, they got 20!
Honestly, no, I've never done something like this before. I like jalapenos, but I don't like pickles. So they were pickled jalapenos, so I wasn't the biggest fan, but I just powered through for my team, because my team really wanted to win, so got it done.
I was looking at my plate and I was thinking, oh man, I didn't eat enough, but I think our whole team carried each other very well. I think it's so fun that they can come out and create that community with the kids and the teachers, and it's a lot of fun for us and for them, and I think it's just good for us to get to see that outside community come in and engage with the kiddos.
I'm real competitive, but that's okay. I did it for Childers and the students and the staff, because at the end of the day, Whataburger made a very generous donation to Childers PTA, and that's really what matters, is that we have more funds back into our school for our students to do the things that we want to do for them. So I'd do it again in a heartbeat.